Hi and welcome to How To with J and A. Today we're going to make a lovely tuna and chickpea salad. It's really good for your diet and it's also really healthy. So we're just going to come over and start cooking. Okay, so the first thing we've got for tuna salad is a sort of medium can of tuna, and that was in sunflower oil which I've drained off. And then we're just going to start by cutting up this onion. You just want to take the outer skin off, and then we're just going to slice that up. You just want to top and tail your onion, and then just remove that first outer layer because that always tends to be a little tough and sometimes got some blemishes on it as well, so you just want to get that out of the way. Get some dust there, you just want to get that away as well. And then we're just going to chop it up quite finely. Just very small pieces you want for this because you don't want big chunks of onion. So I think I'll probably just put in half an onion just to start with. I don't think I'm going to put the whole onion in because you don't want it too strong. So obviously you just have to watch your fingers when you're cutting onions. Cut them quick enough, then they don't make your eyes water either. Okay, so that's all the onion in, and then we're just going to pop the chickpeas in. So these are just tin chickpeas, very reasonably priced, and they're completely free on Slimming World, which is really good news. So I just want to tip that in. So the tuna is also free on Slimming World, but if you do have it in oil, you do have to add in the sins for the sunflower oil. And then I've just got some lovely fresh parsley. So again, you just want to give that quite a nice chop up. So you just want to just chop it up, and this can be a lovely fresh salad. So you just want to chop it as finely as you can. Now you can also use coriander. Coriander is really nice as well if you don't have any parsley. And you can also use a lot more as well if you want to. Okay, so the next thing we do is going to add some lemon rind. And I'm just using the microplane for this. This is really good just to grate really small things. So the lemon really lifts the tuna. Fish and lemon are always known for going really well together. So we're just going to add in the lemon. It's just optional. If you don't have a lemon in the house, you don't need to add it. It's not vital, but it does give the dish a really nice lemon flavour. So I'm just doing half of a lemon today, and then I'm just going to slice that, and I'm just going to put the juice of half a lemon in as well. Doesn't seem to be many pips, so we just squeeze that in. I should have eaten my porridge this morning because it's quite a hard lemon to squeeze. So you just want to get all that juice in, and that's going to help to flavour your dish, give it a nice taste. Just wipe my hands down. Now we're going to pop in some salt. I've got some sea salt, which as you know is free as long as you don't add too much, just a small shake of salt. It's a nice black pepper. Prefer a bit more pepper than I do my salt. Just going to put some vinegar in. You can use any kind of vinegar. Just about 1/4 teaspoon to half a teaspoon of vinegar, and again obviously that's free. Now I did have a little oil on my tuna, so I'm not going to add too much more oil in. In fact, I'm not going to add any more oil in. But if your tuna wasn't in oil to start with, then you can also add in just a little extra virgin olive oil, and that will make it really nice and tasty. And again, you just have to remember to put your sin points for your oil. So it's 6 points for a tablespoon, but obviously you're not going to eat this whole bowl yourself, so I'm just going to serve this up with a slice of brown bread. That's my healthy extra for the day, and that's going to be my lunch. So as you see, this is the finished dish. So chickpeas and tuna and onion and some lovely lemon and parsley. So it's all free food on Slimming World. You do have to put some points in for the tuna fish. I'll pop that in at the end, or if you use oil. But it's a wonderful tasty dish, and I forgot to also say that you can also add some garlic. I love garlic with tuna. So I've got this garlic puree, which is in olive oil, so that would be sinned at probably about 0.5, a half a sin for about a teaspoon, or you can just use your own chopped garlic, which is completely free. So I really hope that you can enjoy this recipe and enjoy continuing on your Slimming World journey.